Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to open a Venmo account in India. Actually, the question was, can you open a Venmo account in India? And the answer is no. Venmo is not available in India and cannot be used to send, receive or manage money. The platform is exclusive to US residents with a US phone number, bank account and SSN or ITIN. Now, why doesn't Venmo work in India? 1. Geographical restrictions. You see, Venmo's terms explicitly prohibits use outside the US. Attempting to access it from India triggers an error message. Even with a VPN, account verification via US ID and bank details is impossible without local credentials. The second reason is for legal and regulatory barriers. Venmo operates under US financial regulations and has not been approved by Indian authorities, like the RBI. Indian banks cannot be linked to Venmo, so there is no workaround. US SIM cards, VoIP numbers like Google Voice often fail verifications. Virtual US addresses like mobile services are rejected during ID checks. So the best thing is to go for vendor alternatives. If you need a similar P2P payment app, just consider these local and international alternatives. The first one we have is called OneSafe. Now, OneSafe supports multi-currency accounts, virtual dollars and global payments. You can also try, and it also has lower fees than PayPal and is tailored for Indian users. You can also try Wise, formerly called TransferWise. Here, you can send and receive money internationally at mid-market exchange rates, hold balances in the 40 plus currencies, including USD, which is useful for US transactions. And you can use PayPal that allows cross-border payments but charges high fees though. But it supports INR transfers to India bank accounts. Lastly, you can use the local apps like Paytm, Google Pay, PhonePe, which is optimized for domestic transactions, and there's zero fees for peer-to-peer payments. Now, I know you might be wondering, what if you have a Venmo account, a US Venmo account before? So if you previously opened Venmo in the US, accessing it from India will be blocked. That's the thing. So what do? You can resolve it by first for contacting Venmo support if you've moved abroad long time and withdraw funds to a US bank account before leaving the US. My final advice is this. For seamless transaction in India, just use the local apps. For domestic payments and for international transfers, opt for Wise or PayPal. Hope you found this video helpful.